In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Squarespace website. Whether you're a business owner trying to reach more customers or a blogger eager to build your audience, promoting your website effectively is key to your success. Let's dive straight into the steps you need to take. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, click on Get Started to begin optimizing your site's visibility. This is where we lay the foundation for all future promotional activities. Next, you're going to want to head over to the Website section and then click on SEO. This is a crucial step because it helps search engines find your site and display it to potential visitors. A great feature here is the option to click Improve with AI, which can simplify and enhance the optimization process for you. This intelligent tool can assist you in crafting better titles and descriptions, boosting your site's chance to rank higher in search results. For those of you who prefer to control the optimization manually, there are several strategies you can employ. First and foremost, identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. This involves spending some time researching what terms potential visitors are likely using to find services or products like yours. Once you've established these keywords, incorporate them naturally into your website's content. This includes page titles, meta descriptions, and even the alt text of your images. Doing so helps search engines better understand what your website is about and can lead to improved rankings. Another important tip is to ensure that your website content is high quality, well-informed, and engaging. Regularly updating your site with fresh content not only keeps it relevant to visitors, but also signals to search engines that your site is active. This consistency can lead to better indexing and potentially higher rankings. Moving forward, make sure that your site is mobile-friendly. More and more people are accessing websites via mobile devices, so having a site that's optimized for these smaller screens is essential. Additionally, you want a clear and user-friendly URL structure, as well as an effective use of internal linking. These elements improve site navigation and retain visitor interest, which is crucial for SEO. Finally, don't underestimate the power of email campaigns. Use them to announce exciting updates like new products, share insightful blog posts, or promote unique offers. Email marketing is a tried and true way to engage your existing customer base and invite them back to visit your website. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to effectively promoting your Squarespace website. Remember, these steps are designed to build a sturdy online presence and ensure your website is ready to attract and retain visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting!